How to lock your Samsung Galaxy S22. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a passcode, pin, pattern, whatever you want to call them, your security, your lock mechanism, security mechanism on the Samsung Galaxy S22. I'll go over all three of those, showing you guys how to get in there. Right now I have a swipe, which is a no security. You just swipe it and you get in your phone. If you're pocket dialing people and you want to put a passcode on, this is the way to do it. So all you got to do is swipe down. Go into settings, which is this little gear icon on the top right hand corner. From here, go ahead and scroll down till you see lock screen. From lock screen, the very top option says screen lock type. Right now we are set to swipe. Go ahead and select that. From here, it gives us three different patterns. We got the pattern, pin, password, and none. I strongly recommend not using none unless you have a specific reason for that. So pattern, pin, or password. Let's start off with pattern. So here it's pretty much asking us for a pattern. Let's go ahead and make a little angle shape, hit next, and then it's going to, we're going to have to hit next again, but it says, remember this pattern. If you forget it, you'll need to reset your phone and all the data will be erased. Your unlock pattern has been set, so I'm just going to go ahead and confirm it. And then, so some of these features here, if you want notifications to pop up on your lock screen, select this on. If not, turn it off and you won't have to worry about it. I personally have mine on. Here it gives us the icon or details. So what the icon is, it'll just pop up with a little Instagram or a Snapchat text message, whatever little icon pops up. You can click on it, expand it, kind of read the majority of the message when it's on the icons only. If it's on details, everything will pop up right away. Boom, everything is up and you can kind of see everything right away. Here we are looking at the transparency of what your message will look like. So full zero transparency, which means it's going to have a solid background. Fully transparent, meaning you won't really be able to see it that much. It's kind of gives us an example there with the settings and the numbers. I'll put mine somewhere in the middle. And as we go down, we see there is an auto reverse text color. Reverse the color of your notification text based on the background color. That doesn't really matter. I don't really care. I'll have it on. Next is hide content. So let's say you have a text message, you get a notification and you don't want your notification to be popped up or being able to be seen by somebody. You can go ahead and hit hide content, which is going to look like that. You won't be able to see anything. If you turn that off, you will see, if you click on your message, you'll be able to see what the context is in the message. So it'll say hello or whatever is there. And the notifications to show, you can set just alert notifications only or alert and silent notifications, something that you might not get a notification for, a ding, a buzz, whatever. It'll still pop up showing you that you have been notified. So that's the one that I go with, the alert and silent. So once you have it set, I'm going to go ahead and hit done. Here it's giving me it says back up your pattern, pretty much saying, hey, I'm not signed into any of my Samsung stuff, any of my accounts, so I am not able to retrieve it successfully. So if I only way to get in if I forget my pattern is to reset the phone and lose all my data. So this doesn't really matter to me. I'm just going to hit away. So right now, as you guys can see, screen lock type is set to pattern. I'm just going to go ahead and lock the screen here and swipe like I normally do. As you guys can see, now I have the screen, the password set. So just like that, or my pattern there is set. Let's say you wanted to remove it and get rid of your passcode. All you got to do, once again, go into settings. From settings, go into lock screen, screen lock type, go back into there, and then you're gonna have to verify your pattern, which we did, and boom, it takes us right back to this page. From here, we can set back to swipe. We can set a pin, password. So I'll just set it to swipe. As you guys can see now, it saves it on swipe. You are now able to get right back in like you used to. Let's go ahead now and set a pin. So this is how to set a pin. So I'm just going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. It says, remember this pin. If you forget it, you'll need to reset your phone and all the data will be erased. Tap to continue when finished. And then right here it says confirm pin without tapping OK. So let's say you just hit 111. Hit your 4 ones and boom, hey, you got the right passcode. It boom, automatically puts you in. You can go ahead and select that. And so that way when you type it in, it'll automatically set. So we'll go ahead, hit next, and then 1111, hit next. And just like that, once again, all the same details. Once you're done with those, hit done. Once again, it's telling me that I got nothing that's backing up any accounts backing up my passcode. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Once the passcode is correct, it reads that it's correct. It gets me right in there. So once again, if you're getting rid of the passcode, you're gonna have to type in the same pin that you previously had. And now we are in this screen, we are able to move over to password or to pattern if you wanted to. So for password demonstration purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. It's going to go AA 1111. Can go ahead, hit continue. AA 1111. Okay. Once again, I'm not backed up by anything. My password's changed to password there. And here we go. And it's telling me your password contains at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. So AAAA 1111. Done. And just like that, it gets us back in here. So once again, if you're changing it, we got to ask you to verify AAAA 1111. So that way it's not somebody just wanting to get in your phone and change your stuff around. Hey, can I get on your phone? Can I search the web? And then get on there and change your passwords. You got to verify to get them so you can reset them. So I set it back to swipe. Back to no security, and just like that, you're able to get in and out. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please share it with them. And if you guys find this very helpful, give it a thumbs up. Check out other helpful tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S22 in the description below. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a good day.